This video explains how to buy shares of EDP Energias de Portugal SA listed on Euronext under ticker EDP.LSB. EDP is a Portuguese energy company active in renewables and power generation. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker EDP.LSB to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext entry to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary, business description, and the price chart to confirm it is EDP Energias de Portugal SA. Verify the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker reads EDP.LSB before moving on. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, the new position will appear in your portfolio showing quantity and current value. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to visit the platform.